What's up, everybody? Welcome to Elevated Armory. Today we have SIG P365 XL. Go ahead and open this up. So this is the SIG P365 XL with the Romeo 0 red dot. It comes with two 12-round magazines. These are flush mounts. Let's check. Gun is empty. Magazine's empty. This is a Hogue grip that I bought on Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks. But I like the feel of the rubber grip. It was an absolute bitch to put on, but it was definitely worth it. Plus you get this nice little finger groove here. These are the 15-round magazines, where they have a nice little extra on the bottom for you to get that just enough. It's actually a little bit longer than my pinky area, but it's still, versus the magwell on it is, it's not too small, so you can still get a decent grip. But I carry with the 15s because, you know, why not? And it's still comfortable and pretty easy to conceal. This is my everyday carry. This is manual safety. Let's see if we can see the dot. There it is. The dot's okay. You get a nice little co-witness. There's a nice little shroud that comes over it, kind of protects it a little bit. It's a little dirty. I have two complaints about this red dot. The button here is not so easy to be able to use, and to change the battery you have to take this off, but it is what it is. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. So now I do have the Streamlight TLR7 sub. It's a nice light. Fit that on this little accessory rail here. You do get carbon buildup on the lens here after shooting a lot, so it helps to clean it. But nice light. Get a flat face trigger. There's the wall. Not too bad of a reset. Mag release button. Slide lock. It's not ambidextrous. There's your takedown lever. Put it back, lock it back, and that's it. She's back together. This is my holster that I use. This is a Kydex holster from Muddy River Tactical, especially made for the Streamlight. Good amount of retention. Claw helps with concealment. It kind of pushes on your belt. It kind of keeps that close to the body as much as possible. And that gets tucked right in the waistband. This is a left-handed holster because I am left-handed. overall aesthetically, I think very nice looking gun. The trigger definitely kind of fits the look. Decent amount of slide cuts, nothing too crazy. You do get that nice front sight, even though the red dot. Thumb safety. Feels good in your hand, it's not very heavy. Thin enough to carry, concealed comfortably. Also, if I decided to take this light off for whatever reason, I also have another Muddy River holster with the claw, another Kydex holster. These are quality holsters. I'll put a link for them in the description with a bunch of different gun models to choose from as options. Any problems with the holsters, the owner actually has his cell phone number on the website, so you just contact him and they take care of it for you. I'll leave a link for the Streamlight as well. I got that from Amazon. So yeah, I hope you like this little tabletop unboxing, if you will. It's not brand new, but it is my everyday carry and I do like it. I enjoy shooting it. I have a few clips of shooting this at the range that I'll put in here as well. And yeah, if you like the content, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you have a SIG 365 XL. If you like it, if you don't like it, let's have a conversation about it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.